Over 30 minutes, Australian Standfirst landmark animation, Australia's Economic Story Explained, provides the nation's first complete economic guiding light, making sense of Australia's unique journey from World War II to today. This is not a history lesson, nor a simple chronology of events, but a way to cut through the noise and glue together what may first appear to be unrelated fragments into one simple, clear panoramic picture. Providing an unprecedented, in-depth and relatable viewpoint, this animation takes us on a journey that marries the post-war Australian experience with evolving global forces and significant cultural shifts. To be a confident investor, to achieve meaningful impact throughout society, and to share a common explanation about how Australia's economy came to be has never been more important. This watershed animation explains that while wars, new technologies and even sporting triumphs visibly changed the face of the country, global economic forces pushed and pulled us in ways that haven't been well communicated to investors until now. Australia's Economic Story Explained brings to light how these forces influenced Australian life, the fabric of our economy, and our relationship with the increasingly globalising world. Join Australia's funds management thought leader, Australian Standfirst, in late 2018 for the premiere of the nation's defining economic story.